It does not
Oh my
protect
God.
anything, but we
Go
will.
back to another video. So today I got these two. So I got Cheetos, Crunchy, and a mystery one. Airhead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything I can't take anything. That is I'm taking it. Let's get started.
Because I don't know what better than important conversation with the rage than you know how the Baudelaires felt as they trudged up the stairs and able to participate in conversation over the terminal. So they decided to hold their own.
You know the incredibly that sometimes I didn't feel like a locked in. You know the couple locked in. Who's the poet that would leave us? Not without evidence and proof. Those things are really favoring us. The one has been fighting for us. It is naked. I saw him this morning. Something incredibly deadly viper this morning too. It was in its cage. While we were at the power, Hufflepuff must have said it once.
Where's my iPad?
Sure, it's okay, Sunny. I know you took it close. You think it's fine to see. We could find out how he really died.
We're gonna get back and look
Who's
at
just
that.
missing? Mr. Poe have to have come over us. We wouldn't have to go to Peru.
So have you have
I
any
wish
video?
I could save my humanity. If I got all left behind ours, and still
How could
something
you
from
stay
her and
more?
anyone else, including us.
Over
Do you think you can get
Chris
that
goes
inside
that
the
person. No. But that's not. So guys, have you had
It's not
a
necessary
scarlet?
to use that
Look, our eye dropped in our eye, so we could barely see. Yeah, we could barely see.
by someone
I only have a right eye.
we know about the ranch and
I only can barely see. So we're gonna get our glasses tomorrow. Tomorrow is soon.
When I say we know about the ranch, what I mean is we know about
Tomorrow,
adults. What happened to adults?
our glasses are gonna have that. Well, I already got that. I just don't have to.
Perhaps the snake will follow the trail and then we can tuck it inside.
The snakes eat peaches?
Maybe we can use baby.
I could just.
I don't want to make the video.
Oh, no, these are so good for your skin.
You want to have to look at it.
Well, we had one airhead that was done. Huh? Huh? They're more in here. Come on.
Orphan, our ship awaits.
Labyrinth is a word which means maze full of secrets and hidden. Referring to ancient Greece, a monster that is half cold and extremely unpleasant. The head's labyrinth behind Dr. Montgomery's house can contain a monster. His claws up down there and seemingly the hedge's snake before no familiar sinister eye. Seem to contain both secrets and danger.
Guys, I'm back.
Huh?
I'm back. Let me look at baby. What?
The reptiles certainly seem
Where?
well, they're animals are harder to get away.
Yeah?
Did you see where?
In the cartoon.
I put them into my chip bag. Have you had a cheesecake?
Chocolate cheesecake?
What hot chocolate? I don't know. If you did, leave it in the comments. Is all my hot spicy? Mine is Victor and London, and hers is this is how much I got in my table. I got this, but.
they say the eye drops is gonna wear off.
We're pretty blind so we can crack into stuff. Jamal, I'll be good. Kennedy? Didn't get glasses.
Is Rick here or did he go to work?
Yeah, it was work.
Dada! Milk!
Get them up. When did you
The bag of the hat.
Kennedy, be quiet now.
Hey, you forgot the other one. Thanks, guys.
I know.
You're not putting on my shit. We got tea house. We got tea house.
No, it's so fucking loud.
We got tea house. You know that? Hold it, we have to go back on the room. No, you too, Nola. Go, Noah.
Bro, y'all not worried about Inola. Y'all clean up.
I'm not talking about Inola. I'm talking about Dakota.
And I'm telling Dakota, don't worry about Inola. Y'all clean up.
My girls, take your ass in a room.